In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the TikTok pixel to Samcart in just 5 minutes. This process will enable you to track conversions from your TikTok ads effectively, ensuring you're making the most of your advertising efforts. We'll walk through each step thoroughly, so let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to log into your TikTok Ads Manager account. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your TikTok advertising, so being familiar with it is essential. Once you've logged in, look towards the top of the page. There you're going to see a section titled Tools. Click on Tools, and from the drop-down menu, select Events. This will lead you to the Events Manager, a vital component for setting up your pixel. Next, inside the Events Manager, you'll find an option that reads Connect Data Source. Clicking this will present several options. Since we're focused on online activities, select the web option and then proceed by clicking Next. This action will guide you through the process of setting up a pixel that tracks web activity. Now, you're prompted to input your website URL. Once you've entered your website's address, choose Manual Setup. This choice allows you to install the pixel code yourself, which is what we need for Samcart. The next step is crucial. It's time to create your pixel. Go ahead and give your pixel a unique and recognizable name. Then click Next to move forward. You'll be directed to the code installation step. Here, you'll be presented with the TikTok pixel base code. This code is a small JavaScript snippet necessary for tracking. Make sure to click and copy this code, as you'll need it in a moment. With the pixel code in hand, open your web browser and navigate to Samcart. You'll need to log into your Samcart account to proceed. Once logged in, search for the Settings icon, which often looks like a gear. Click this icon to access a range of account settings. Within the settings, locate the section that deals with tracking, commonly labeled as Tracking in Pixels. Here, you should find an option to embed code in the header of your site, perhaps labeled something like Embed HTML scripts in the header. This is where the magic happens. Paste the TikTok pixel base code you copied earlier into this embed box. By adding the pixel code here, you're integrating TikTok's tracking directly into your Samcart page. Finally, don't forget to click on the Save Changes button. This important step reinforces the changes you've made, ensuring that everything is set up correctly. Once saved, your TikTok pixel is ready and operational on your Samcart platform. And there you have it. You've successfully added the TikTok pixel to Samcart. Thanks for following along, and now you're all set to track your ads' performance more effectively.